How to log in to Duolingo account. So if you want to log into your Duolingo account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Duolingo. And once you've searched for Duolingo login, now you can simply go for Duolingo website, which is www.duolingo.com. Click on that. And after that, it will take you to the login page. So now if you don't have an account, then you can go for sign up and then you can create your account. But if you already have an account, then come here to the login page and then enter your email address on the first blank. And after that, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, go for forgot so that you can reset or recover your password. And if you don't want to log in with your email, then you can go for Facebook or your Google to log into your account. But I'll be entering my email and then password. And once you've entered that, click on login so that you'll be logged into your account. And click on continue with Google. Choose your Google account and then click on confirm. And that's it. That's how you log into your Duolingo account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.